What up guys. In this video I'm going to analyze the Nasdaq using the combination strategy. I'm analyzing it and give you the direction, and then we will see after what the market did. So first of all, we're going to spot the support and resistance. So I told you, if you are lazy to spot the support and resistance, and then no problem, you can use the indicator I have gave you, and then it will guide you where to put your support and resistance. First of all, this is my first resistance. Why I put this line is because market respected this line here, and then also respected this line here, and also here. And then our next support and resistance line is this line here. Why I put this line here is because market respected this line here, and also market respected this line here, and then again here and here and here and here and here, also here. Another line is here. Why I put this line here is because market respected this line here, and also here, and also here, and also here, again and here, and also here. Another line we can put, I think, yeah, this line here. Why I put this line here is because market respected this line here, and then again respected this line here, and finally here, as you can see here. And then our last line is this one here. So but this one, let me just put it here. So but if you can't spot these things, you can use the indicator I've gave you. You can just drag and drop it. You see, as you can see, this thing spotted the support and resistance almost where I have spotted them. So yeah, and then let me see. Yeah, I even left this line here. So after what we're going to do, let me delete this thing here. So as you can see, we already have our support and resistance line, and finally, as you can see, the market is here. As you can see, finally the market is here. So the question is that, what am I going to do here? Am I going to buy because this thing reached the previous resistance, or am I going to buy this thing? So that is what we're going to know. That is what I'm going to show you. That is what we're going to analyze. What we're going to do now, as you can see, this line here at this moment is the most important line. At this moment, this is the most important line. This is the most important line at this moment. Let me change its color. As you can see, this is the most important line. So what I can tell you here is that I don't see a sell signal here. Why? Because this candlestick is very strong. So if this candlestick close like this, then it confirms that the market is going up. If this candlestick close strong like this, it confirms that the market is going up. And then this is our first confirmation that this candlestick is too strong. If it closes like this, then the market is going up. And then the second confirmation, we're going to use a trend line. As I told you, this is the combination strategy. You can draw any possible trend line you see at any time frame, at any time frame. You can draw a trend line, any possible trend line. As you can see, our trend line, the market is breaking our trend line. As you can see here, the market broke our trend line. This is our second confirmation. And lastly, we're going to share to check the pattern formations. And then, as I told you guys, you can draw any possible trend lines you see, any possible. And then let's switch to 4 hour time frame. And then, as you can see, I can even draw a trend line here, and then it shows that the market break here, and then now it is retesting here, and then it is going up. And again, at 4 hour chart, the market is breaking here, and it can even do like this and go up. So let's check the patterns formations. And I told you we check these patterns at only 1 hour time frame or 15 minutes time frame. So here I see a head and shoulder pattern. Like, if you are a forex trader, sometimes we force things to happen. As you can see here, I see a head and shoulder like this, and also I can say a head and shoulder like this, and it breaks this line and also this line. So this is our third confirmation. Then, as you can see, now we are looking for a buy signal. So if we buy here, and then we can put our stop loss here. We can put our stop loss here, or even here. So, but because this is the big time frame, you can at least put your stop loss here. So, but the way I trade, I don't even put a stop loss. But this is not what you have to do. You have to use a stop loss and take profit. So let's check to here on a 4 hour time frame. So now, if we're going to buy here, where are we going to put our take profit? As you can see, even here, let me change this thing. As you can see, even here, market respected this line here, and also this line here. We put our take profit where the market respected. So this here, because the market respected here, you can put your first, because it's a buy, you can put your first take profit here, your second profit here, and your third take profit, and your last take profit here. If let's say if it's a sell, then it means you have to put your take profit here, your first, and then your second, and your third take profit, and your fourth take profit. We put take profit where the market respected, because if this market is going up, if the market reach this line, it will do something. It will reach this line, it will return to this previous resistance and make it a support, and then again go up. This is what a Nasdaq do. So like I said, we are aiming for a buy signal, and then our take profit, and then our take profit, and then our stop loss here, our stop loss here. So let me pause the video, and then I will come back. We'll see what the market did. What up, guys? As you can see, guys, as you can see, market did what I said, but it didn't respect this line. Oh, it is respecting now. Yeah, this is our channel. The market is respecting this channel. The market is respecting this channel, and then this means that our first take profit hit, second profit hit, and then our third, this was not hit, but surely it will hit our take profit. So now if we can analyze again where the market is going, we can draw all the possible trend line to check if the market will go up or down. As you can see, the market, don't panic if the market do like this. It went up, then it can touch this line here, and then again go up to our last take profit. So I think for this video I'm done, and then I will show you how you buy with only support and resistance, how you buy or sell with the pattern formations, how you buy and sell using the a trend line strategy. And again, I'm going to show you with the previous market, how you should have took trades using the previous the offline market or the previous charts. So peace.